Most people think Vaseline is just some dusty product sitting in your bathroom, but it's actually one of the cheapest ways to instantly improve how you look, feel, and present yourself. Today I'm giving you 5 Vaseline hacks that actually work. Let's get straight into it. 1. Locked-in fragrance. Everyone wants to smell good, but your expensive perfume is useless if it disappears in 3 hours. Here's the fix that actually works. Take a tiny amount of Vaseline and apply it on your pulse points, your neck, wrists, and collarbone before spraying perfume. That's it. This simple trick makes your fragrance last way longer because it slows down evaporation. Cheap, effective, done. 2. Eyebrow upgrade. Your eyebrows shape your whole face. Thicker, cleaner eyebrows instantly make you look sharper and more masculine. Thin and messy ones make your face look tired. Warm a tiny bit of Vaseline between your fingers and brush it through your eyebrows in the direction of the hair. It gives them a fuller, cleaner look without looking fake or shiny. Forget expensive eyebrow gels. This does the job. 3. Tame your hair. If your hair keeps sticking out or looks frizzy, use this. Rub a micro amount of Vaseline in your hands and lightly glide it through your hair. It adds shine, smoothness, and control. Use too much and you'll look like you haven't showered in a week. Use the right amount and your hair looks intentional and clean. 4. Fix dry lips. Stop licking your lips and stop using cheap lip balms that barely hydrate. Do this instead. 1. Brush your teeth. 2. Put a drop of coconut oil on your toothbrush. 3. Gently exfoliate your lips for 10 seconds. 4. Apply Vaseline immediately afterward. This removes dead skin, boosts blood flow, and locks in moisture. Your lips look soft and healthy instead of cracked and dull. 5. Under eye repair. Dark circles get worse when the skin under your eyes is dry or irritated. Before sleeping, apply a very thin layer of Vaseline under your eyes. Not a thick layer, just enough to trap moisture. In the morning, wash your face and do 30 seconds of cold icing to tighten the area and reduce puffiness. This won't magically erase dark circles, but it will absolutely make the area look brighter and healthier over time. Final word. 1 cheap jar. 5 high-impact upgrades. Better scent, better eyebrows, cleaner hair, softer lips, healthier under eyes. Stop wasting money on overpriced grooming products when you haven't even mastered the basics. If you want more straight-to-the-point grooming and appearance improvement videos, make sure to subscribe.